I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious iced tea. First, you'll need to brew a strong tea concentrate. For every 8 ounces of water, use 2 to 3 tea bags or 2 to 3 teaspoons of loose leaf tea. Steep black tea for 3 to 5 minutes or green tea for 2 to 3 minutes. Then, remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaf tea. Now, while your tea is still warm, it's the perfect time to add any sweeteners. Sugar or honey will dissolve much more easily. You can also enhance the flavor with fresh lemon slices, a few mint leaves, or even some fruit. Start with about 1/4 cup of sugar and adjust to your personal taste for the perfect balance. Next, let your brewed tea cool down. You can let it reach room temperature naturally, which takes a bit of time. For a quicker chill, add about 1 cup of ice directly to the hot tea. Once it's cooled, you'll want to dilute your concentrate with cold water to achieve your preferred strength and flavor. Finally, it's time to serve your refreshing iced tea. Fill your favorite pitcher or individual glasses with plenty of ice cubes. Pour the perfectly chilled iced tea over the ice. For an extra touch, garnish each glass with a fresh lemon wedge or a sprig of fragrant mint. Enjoy your homemade delicious iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.